Okay, now I want to show you guys this Sun Zoom 3890 mm lens. It's a f3.5, so it's something like a old school L lens kind of thing where you can maintain a constant of 3.5 aperture throughout the zoom range. So I think it's pretty high end. It's a pretty high end lens. It comes with this casing, which I will set aside because it's just an accessory. So show you the aesthetics of the lens itself. So this is the zoom function. Zoom, it works. It's a MD mount though, it's a Minolta. So yeah, zoom works. Okay. Then the focusing will be here. Focusing works. Okay. Then there's a macro mode. Let me see how to enable the macro. Oh yeah, so macro mode. There's a further macro mode, very advanced. Interesting. Then there's the aperture settings, which you can see. Let me open it up here. Yeah, so there's the aperture blades that you can see. Yeah. Aperture blades. I'm gonna help you do some manual focus. Okay. Manual focus. Nearly slipped. Okay. Okay, here's the blades. You can see the blades. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the lens, the glass itself. Let me see which zoom will make it look better or easier to see. Let me see. Okay, I think this one brings it closer to see. Okay. So this is the glass. And there's a glass from behind. I'm gonna do a shine test. Oh, sorry, just now I forgot to enable autofocus. So this is a glass with autofocus. I mean, not the lens had autofocus, but I enable autofocus on my camera. So with autofocus. This is the back part. Okay. So we're gonna do a shine test. Shine a light from behind. Okay. Shine from the front. Okay. I don't see any organic clusters, which is the usual concern. Okay. Okay, let me show you a control unit, which is this Yongnuo 51.8 that I have, which is a new lens. So it's a good control comparison. So yeah. So this is a new lens, so it should be okay, and it's a control comparison for you to evaluate this lens. How this looks like the lens. Oh, maybe this is easier to see. Okay. Yeah, maybe in the future I just use this mode. Maybe it's easier then. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. Alright. So there you go. Any questions you can ask me. So I want to sell this off. It's a nice heavy lens. Thanks, bye.